In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect on LinkedIn with people who are beyond your immediate network, specifically focusing on those who are listed as 3R-degree connections. The process is pretty straightforward, but it's essential to follow these steps carefully to ensure you're reaching out to the right people in the right way. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll see two options to get started. Sign in with Google or continue with your account. Choose the one that's most relevant to you. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can skip this step and move right on to the next part. Now take a moment to think about whom you want to connect with. Do you have a specific person in mind, or are you looking for potential connections in a certain industry or company? Once you've got someone in mind, go ahead and type their name into the search bar at the top of the page. LinkedIn's search functionality is powerful, but remember to check the spelling of the name to ensure accurate results. After typing in and submitting the search query, you'll see a list of names that match your search criteria. Now click on the name of the person you're interested in connecting with. This will take you to their LinkedIn profile, where you can learn more about their professional background, experiences, and the mutual connections you might share. But what if the person you're looking for doesn't immediately show up in the search results? No worries, LinkedIn has a feature that allows you to see more results. Look for the See All Results link and click on it. This will expand your search and show you a broader list of people, including those with similar names or in related fields. Lastly, to narrow down your search to 3RD-degree connections, specifically you'll want to filter your search results. Look for an option labeled 3RD+ and click on it. This will refine your search results, showing only those individuals who are categorized as 3RD-degree connections based on your current network on LinkedIn. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated LinkedIn's search functionality to find 3RD-degree connections. Remember, connecting on LinkedIn isn't just about expanding your network. It's about building meaningful professional relationships. So, when you send a connection request, be sure to personalize your message to make a good impression and increase the likelihood of your request being accepted. Connecting with 3RD-degree connections on LinkedIn can open up new opportunities for networking, job searching, or simply expanding your professional knowledge. So don't be afraid to reach out, just remember to be respectful, professional, and clear about why you're interested in connecting. And that's everything you need to know about connecting with 3RD-degree connections on LinkedIn in just about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice these steps to start building a more robust professional network today.